गाइज लेट्स फेस इट, आज की डेट में जब हम एक एसयूवी के बारे में सोचते हैं या खरीदने के बारे में सोचते हैं, वी आर मोर कंसर्न अबाउट द शार्प डिजाइनिंग एंड द सेगमेंट लीडिंग बेस्ट फीचर्स दैट दे विल हैव. बट हम ये रास्ते में अपने भूल गए कि एन एसयूवी इज सपोज टू बी समथिंग that lets you go that extra mile in life when you really need to. And that is exactly what the Nissan Tekton that you see standing right behind me there has, reminded me of over the past few days. And in this video, I will be sharing with you my insights that I have, relearned after spending so much time with the Nissan Tekton and on this journey. Of course, गाड़ी के बारे में भी जानेंगे, कैसे परफॉर्म करी, अच्छा परफॉर्म करी, बुरा परफॉर्म करी, मेरे बारे में भी जानेंगे कि मैं कैसा परफॉर्म करा, बिकॉज एट वन पॉइंट वी वर एट 16,580 feet above sea water level. So it has been epic. I repeat, at the cost of repeating myself, and keep watching this video and let me give you a recap of what all to expect. Okay, so guys, welcome to the day one of my very epic journey with the Nissan Tekton gang here. And पहले दिन पे हम लोग करीब 276 किलोमीटर्स की जर्नी करने वाले हैं. We started in the morning from चंडीगढ़ and right now are halfway to Manali. तो हम लोग पहाड़ों के बीच में हैं. गाड़ी चलाने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है because the weather is also really nice. The clouds are there and everything is going on very smoothly for our drive, I would say, fingers crossed. And leaving from Chandigarh, the first impressions of the cars that we got were, hopeful that it seemed to be a pretty fun car to drive. Now the car that I have started my journey with is the T160, which means that it is the 1 liter turbo petrol engine जो प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है 100 PS की पावर और 166 न्यूटन मीटर्स का टॉर्क. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज द स्मॉलर इंजन इन द टेक्टोन लाइनअप एंड आई वाज रियली क्यूरियस टू सी कि ये इस बड़ी सी एसयूवी में अंडर पावर्ड फील होगा या कैसा फील होगा. एंड फाइनल इंप्रेशंस तो मैं आपको लेटर अपने इस वीडियो में दूंगा. बट ओवरऑल राइट नाउ आई कैन से दैट आई हैव हैड अ वेरी सेटिस्फैक्टरी टाइम विद द निसान टेक्टोन 1 लीटर अप टिल नाउ. गाड़ी जो मैं चला रहा हूँ उसमें साथ में आपको 6 स्पीड का मैनुअल गियर बॉक्स चलाने को मिल रहा है, मेरे को चलाने को मिल रहा है. एंड ओवरऑल आई वुड से हाईवे स्पीड्स और इवन इन द हाई इंक्लाइंस ऑफ द माउंटेन्स दैट आई एम ड्राइविंग ऑन राइट नाउ, गाड़ी ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा सेटिस्फैक्टरी तरीके से जो है परफॉर्म किया है. उसके अलावा जो चीज़ें मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा काम में आई और अब आगे मेरे रूट में काम नहीं आएंगी एज वी head on towards and get closer towards Ladakh are the ventilated seats. First of all, now the ventilated seats are working perfectly fine and I would say कि if when I'm sitting on them तो उनका fan noise भी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा intrusive नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा disturb नहीं कर रहा है. And the second thing that I really liked and enjoyed using was the Google Maps right on the driver information screen that is right in front of me. उस वजह से क्या हुआ कि when we started climbing the mountains, I did not have to again and again take my attention away from the steering wheel and what is in front of me right up till the infotainment screen. Now that is something that I found to be really useful. And also, as we already know, the Nissan Tekton has Google integrated within it. तो इसका इनबिल्ट मैप सिस्टम भी इज अ गूगल मैप सिस्टम, विच मीन्स दैट आई गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स दैट आई वांट टू सी ऑन द मैप, सच एज माय एस्टिमेटेड टाइम ऑफ अराइवल, कहीं आगे ट्रैफिक तो नहीं है, व्हाट आर द स्पीड लिमिट्स एट अ सर्टेन पैच एंड अ लॉट मोर. उसके अलावा एक और बड़ी खास बात रही आज के मेरे इस रास्ते में, एंड दोज वर द 7-8 टनल्स दैट वी क्रॉस्ड. दैट वाज रियली interesting to see that so much of time and travel effort has been cut down thanks to all of those 8 tunnels that are en route from Chandigarh to Manali. and just extending that much more convenience to everyday travelers between these two major hotspots in the northern region. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं और देखते हैं कैसे जाता है हमारा दिन. And guys, just like that, welcome to day 2 of this very interesting journey that I am on, and I hope that you are still in the video to be a part of everything that I am getting to experience with the new Nissan Tecton. And today is going to be a really interesting and important day because आज के दिन both the SUV here और मेरी लिमिट्स टेस्ट होने वाली हैं, क्योंकि आज हम सबसे ज्यादा ट्रैवल करेंगे. इनफैक्ट वी हैव जस्ट लेफ्ट फ्रॉम मनाली, सोलांग वैली एग्जैक्टली, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गो right up till Shinkula Pass and end the day at Zangla. Now Shinkula Pass is really important because it will be at a height of 16,580 feet above sea level. तो वहां पर देखना काफी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि ये SUV कैसे परफॉर्म करती है. Now if you remember earlier I told you that I am in fact driving the smaller engine with the manual transmission of the Nissan Tecton, which is the 1 liter turbo petrol. तो इस गाड़ी की लिमिटेशंस मेरे को भी देखने को मिलेंगी, मेरे को खुद की भी लिमिटेशंस थोड़ी देखने को मिलेंगी. उसके अलावा द थिंग्स दैट आई विल बी ऑन द लुकआउट फॉर इज हाउ द NVH लेवल्स ऑफ द SUV आर एंड हाउ द एंटायर सस्पेंशन सेटअप takes all the beating, because right now I am on tarmac, but अभी आगे चल के हम लोग gravel, dust roads and B type roads को भी tackle करेंगे. So that is something that I'm looking forward to experiencing in this new SUV. उसी के साथ temperature भी गिरेगा हमारे रास्ते में. Already I am in the zone where right now I am facing 13 to 14 degrees Celsius, and इससे तो कहीं ज़्यादा harsh climate और conditions की तरफ मैं and 60 other Nissan Tectons are heading towards in a very confident manner. So let's see how the day goes. Okay, so guys, a little excerpt. When I keep telling you that we are running in a convoy, this is what I'm talking about. मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं a sea of Nissan Tecton SUVs, and आज जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, we left Manali in the morning and we have just crossed Jispa after crossing over from the Sisu Valley. It was a very beautiful view there, and of course all the SUVs are here. As I told you earlier, these all SUVs include the T160 and the T280 models of the Tecton. मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं, there is a river and the mountains, and we are on our way to Shinkula Pass. So far so good वाली situation है अभी तो, and we are moving towards higher altitudes, and let's see how it goes. And we have officially reached Shinkula Pass, the highest point in our journey, and what a feeling it is to be here. My God, what a breathtaking view we have from here. And guys, finally with that, we are at day 3. Zangla में हम लोग कल रात को पहुंचे थे, and it had been a very difficult day because after climbing up till 16,580 feet, काफी ज़्यादा हालत खराब हो गई थी. And the car, although it was getting difficult for the vehicle as well, the car kept moving and we were able to make our way all the way till Zangla. And after that हमने थोड़ा रेस्ट किया रात में. Everyone had a bit of a gala dinner, and overall it was nice. इस morning में we are on our way to Ladakh. Finally it will be the day 3 and the end of this journey that I have been on for the past couple of days. And well, before we wrap it up, finally बात कर लेते हैं purely and solely about the Nissan Tecton. कैसी है ये गाड़ी चलाने में और कैसा रहा इसका एक्सपीरियंस from the streets of Chandigarh, a city where we assume that an SUV like this belongs, right up till you know, Shankila Pass and Zangla and now towards Ladakh. Because I want to, highlight one thing. Now, the car that I have driven the most during my journey is the T160 model. Now, between over 60 cars that are being driven by media people like myself, there is a mix of three cars in total. One is the car that I am driving right now, which is the Nissan Tecton, the T160 with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Because इस छोटे इंजन में आपको सिर्फ मैनुअल gearbox का ऑप्शन मिलता है. And then you have the larger engine option, the 1.3 liter turbo petrol, जिस गाड़ी में आपको 6-speed manual और 7-speed double clutch automatic gearbox का भी ऑप्शन मिलता है. So there are those two cars also in the mix, and I drove one for a while, but the fact that this little 1 liter turbo petrol was able to get me all the way from Chandigarh till this point led me to, develop a little soft spot for this car during my journey. And what happened? I came back to this car even though the other one is a lot more powerful and a lot more easier to drive around. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों करा? Well, the fact that mountain driving is still purely enjoyed with a manual gearbox and ample of power on the tap, which this small engine also actually has, because it is producing 100 PS of power and 166 Newton meters of torque. That was enough of juice to get me across all the different kinds of terrains, the high altitude passes, and even the bad gravel roads or no roads at all. And that led me into the zone where I wanted to see how far I can push myself and this Nissan Tecton as well. And I have to tell you that Nissan Tecton with the 1 liter turbo petrol has not disappointed me. Of course, कुछ limitations इस गाड़ी और इस drive train की हैं, because after all there is no replacement for displacement, as they say, right? जब slow speed पे if I was on an incline तो गाड़ी को आगे बढ़ने में मुश्किल हो रही थी. And as we climbed more and more thousands of feet above sea level, it started to show signs of some hesitation. मगर उसके बावजूद भी the car did not stall even once. Even when I beached it on the sand beside a riverbed, वहां पर भी इस गाड़ी ने अपने आप को without any external assistance finally अपने आप को eventually इस गाड़ी ने बाहर निकाल लिया था. So overall, this Nissan Tecton with the 1 liter turbo petrol engine has proven to me that it is no garage queen, because that is what people tend to think. जब आप एक बड़ी SUV में एक छोटा पेट्रोल इंजन लेने की सोचते हैं तो there is a assumption and there is a sense कि ये वाला इंजन लिया जा रहा है only for city use and only for your mileage benefit. But as I have proven in this video, that is not entirely the case, because this car has done everything that the other car with the larger engine has done. And let me tell you, a couple of people had overheating issues with their 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearboxes, but इसमें with the 6-speed manual मेरे को कोई भी problem नहीं हुई. And इस engine का एक nature है that it is very calm and modest up till 2000 RPM mark. But जैसे ही ये 2500 RPM के ऊपर जाता है and the turbo is in full boost, that is where you get to see the entire power range, and it goes up right up till 4200 RPM mark, because when you are doing such high altitude passes, that is the range that you will have to be in to keep the car in its power bandwidth. And of course, as अभी तक आई एम श्योर मैं एस्टैब्लिश कर चुका हूं, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इस इंजन के साथ काफी सैटिस्फैक्टरी रहा. और अब आ जाते हैं निसान टेक्टोन की उस चीज पे जिसने मुझे सबसे ज्यादा इंप्रेस किया, एंड दैट इज द चैसी एंड हैंडलिंग डायनामिक्स. बॉस, आई हैव टू टेल यू, it looks like an SUV, but it darts like a very precision hatchback, and which leads you to have a very enjoyable driving experience. Around the corners, in the bends, I was able to carry more speed than I had even anticipated myself that I will be able to. उसके बाद है इसका suspension. Now, right now, I'm in a very bad patch, as you might be able to, make out. there are literally zero noises or any squeaks that are creeping inside the cabin. Overall गाड़ी बहुत ही आराम से किसी भी बैड पैच के ऊपर से निकल जाती है. There is ample of ground clearance. The 18-inch wheels look good and also give you enough cushioning for your bad patches or rough patches as well. Overall मैं आपको बोलूंगा that if you are planning to buy an SUV, maybe your first mid-sized SUV, और अगर Nissan Tecton आपके शॉर्ट लिस्ट में अपना जगह बनाती है, then the 1-liter turbo petrol needs a good consideration and should not be avoided or passed over, because इस गाड़ी में एक बात तो है कि there is character. You will feel that connection with the car even with the smaller engine. And when you want it to go, you just open up the turbo by climbing up on the RPMs. There I go, 70 already. Quick shift into fourth. I'm well over 80 kilometers per hour, and that is not the kind of speed I want to be at for most of my time here on the mountains or out on the highways. हाँ, एक चीज आपको लग सकती है, the first impression that you might get when you sit inside a Nissan Tecton, and that is that it feels very compact. But if you will take a closer look, you will realize that the front dashboard has been designed in such a way that it is more geared towards the driver. The screen is slightly, tilted towards me. The steering wheel is really nice. It's got an octagon shape and feels really nice to hold. वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं है, तो making turns is also very easy with the steering wheel. And the information is clearly laid out in the digital driver display, which is 10.25 inch, and the infotainment touchscreen of 10.1 inch, which sits right in the center. बाकी सारी amenities जो आपको एक competing rival में देखने को मिलेंगी, वो आपको Nissan Tecton में भी मिलेंगे, including things like a 360-degree parking camera. Nissan, please work on the resolution of that feature. And also you get ventilated seats, you get wireless charger, you get a panoramic sunroof, and everything else that you could imagine to have in a SUV of this segment. Seats are well bolstered, मगर कल की 12-hour drive के बाद I was able to feel a bit of distress and pain in my lower back. Maybe it just doesn't go as far back as I would like it to, and my height is 5'11" for reference. Rear passenger comfort seems to be okay for 2 people at a time, but 3 people at a time, 3 adults at a time is going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. So with that, I hope I was able to give you a pretty clear picture of how the Nissan Tecton is in terms of driving, in terms of handling, and also in terms of its features, luxury and comfort functions. After my almost 1000 kilometer journey with the Nissan Tecton, I will be going back home very satisfied knowing that Nissan finally has a product in India that can lock horns with the best in the segment and give a run to them for their money. And guys, just like that, I have reached Leh Ladakh. यहाँ से इसका सीमा सड़क संगठन का आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर साइनिंग है. एंड इट टुक मी अराउंड 4-5 hours फ्रॉम Zanskar Valley. I came here and वो रही मेरी गाड़ी, the car that I have spoken so much about to you in this video, which is the Nissan Tecton with the 1-liter turbo petrol and the 6-speed manual transmission. बहुत ही epic journey रही है, बहुत ही epic परफॉर्म करा इस गाड़ी ने, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि मैंने भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे से परफॉर्म करा है ड्यूरिंग माई ड्राइव. राइट नाउ वी आर इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक हिल, which is a popular tourist hotspot here as you enter Ladakh, right after, Sangam Valley, around 4 kilometers after Sangam Valley. Overall, this has been such a great experience, and I would like to touch upon the point that I was making in the beginning of this video, and that is SUVs are so much more than just a status symbol or a very sharp looking car in your garage or a car that has all the features and luxury and comfort that you can imagine. They are supposed to be vehicles, a means towards you making that leap of faith, going that extra mile in life and having great experiences. And that is exactly what I have been able to do with the Nissan Tecton that you see right behind me. So for now, this is me, Ambar Banerjee, and the Nissan Tecton signing out.